Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a simple Eid baby photoshoot at home using easy DIY decorations. First take a plain white cloth and spread it on the floor. Instead of keeping it flat, arranged with soft folds and wrinkles so it looks more aesthetic and fluffy in photos. For the Ramzan theme decorations, I am using glitter sheets. From the green glitter sheet, cut the letters Eid Mubarak, and from the gold, cut a moon, star and a lantern shape. These are the shapes I have cut. Now attach thread to all the shapes and hang them at the top area of the setup. This creates a beautiful Eid decoration background for the photo shoot. For the corners, I added 2 lanterns. If you don't have lanterns at home, you can easily make DIY lantern using plastic bottles. I also uploaded a DIY lantern tutorial on my channel. Do check it out and make one for yourself just by using plastic bottle. I will provide the tutorial video link in the description box. Do check it out and hope you like this simple DIY idea. Next, for the green touch, I added green leaf vines and a green cloth to give a fresh natural look to the setup. This also helps the gold decoration stand out nicely. Since it's a Ramzan theme, I added some dry fruits like pumpkin seeds, almonds and dates in small bowls. This also makes the setup look more traditional and festive. Now place the Eid Mubarak letters near the dry fruits and add some extra star shapes around the setup. And that's it, our beautiful Eid baby photoshoot setup at home is ready. If you like this idea, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY videos. Bye.